Gunners, welcome back. Another vlog. More work, more progression. Killer B, how'd you guys enjoy that vlog? How'd you guys enjoy all the cool add-ons that we did? You guys are changing my channel because you're liking the video. We are finding more people that are enjoying the content because you guys are liking the videos and the algorithm is changing. Please keep doing that. I appreciate you, man. You want to contribute to this movement? You want to contribute to this channel? Like the video as I'm talking right now. Please, I am asking you, please. Like. All right, so before we start off today, I messed up. When I broke down the motor, they're saying that I didn't say the compression. And I could have sworn I referenced it before. The compression on Killer B, it's an 85 millimeter sleeved Ramey Racing block, 12.5-to-1. I didn't want to forget that before we started today's vlog. The compression on Killer B is a Wiseco hardened piston, 12.5-to-1 with a Sands S Series rod. Got it out of the way. We are going to head to the body shop. Kobe is that close to getting painted. So let's start off today. Keep gunning. Ronnie's Nomad. How crispy is this, boys? What's up, Blancos?
Que pasa, amigo?
I saw you got the Nomad out.
I do.
Yeah, I got it on film.
It's a nice day. I figured, I'll break that shit out and chill with it.
Did you get your stimulus check? You know everybody got their check already.
Yeah.
$1,200.
I don't know if I got it, because the truth is, my wife ain't gonna tell me unless I ask.
Okay. Hey, we can't. Yeah.
And then she'll be like, yeah, I paid some bills, and
So no
I'll be
car.
like, how'd that check work out?
So no car parts for you.
No car parts, no shotguns, no nothing. Just be like, you're fucked. That's it.
Hey, me and 40 came here to help you guys sand and stuff. We don't got much to do at the garage.
Uh-huh.
So,
Well, we definitely got some work.
Mi gente! So, Zeus, real quick update. This is done. Wet sanded, ready for paint on the outside, right?
Inside needs another scuff.
Okay.
It's already cleaned.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the inside of the car first.
Okay.
So we're gonna mask everything off, do the inside. Once the inside is done, then we'll mask the inside so we can do the outside of the car.
Perfect. All right, so we've got some stuff that we gotta scuff and get ready. We're gonna set up some stands and get to work. You ready, 40? You ain't an LSU fan, bro. You're not an LSU fan, bro. Chill out, bro. What are you guys painting in here? What is this? What's up, Goldo? What kind? Is a caddy?
Caddy, yeah.
This thing is long as hell, boys. Oh, is it a boat? Yeah, I would love this. I would love this kind of car. Me and 40 would just drive down to Times Square hanging it. Zeus, explain it. So we're going 220 on the...
We're going 220 on the rocker moldings because right now all this is textured.
Okay.
Right? So we don't want the texture finish. We want the flat finish,
Okay.
just like the body of the car.
Okay.
So we're gonna 220 it, then we're gonna scuff it, we're gonna prime it. After we prime it, we wet sand it again and get it ready for paint.
Okay, and then the thin side moldings, they finally came in, by the way.
Well, these we're gonna sand by hand.
By hand.
We'll sand them by hand. We're also gonna take the texture off because it has all that texture in it.
Okay.
We want it flat, just like the car. We want everything on the car flat.
Okay.
No more texture on it.
Okay, perfect. All right, so I'll start on this guy. I'll start on the side skirts with the DA. So to give you guys a little insight on what we're doing, so we're going 220 to remove the texture. So I did the front part of it here and a little bit of the inside. We still got to, get some scuff inside there and get that gloss out. So always, like I've always been emphasizing on body stuff, from what I've learned, if it has gloss, it can't get painted. So we're taking all the gloss out. We're gonna have to get into all those little nicks and crannies. But yeah, we're grooving. 40 is prepping the thin moldings. I'm gonna do the two side skirts and then we'll move on from there. So I started at 220 and then I'll tell you guys the next stage. So the 220 is done. Now the next stage is to scuff them. So I gotta get into all here, get all the gloss out of this stuff, all in here because the DA doesn't fit in there. So scuff next, and then this will get ready for primer, wet sand, and then perfect for paint. 40 still going at it on the door handles. These moldings are finished, and we're just gunning away. Got these pieces all sanded up, everything's good. So we went with 220, then we scuffed, and then now we have to wash and then prep saw. So me and 40 are gonna wash this and hope for the best.
All right, so this is from Spees.
So
All right?
Spees?
Yeah. So basically what we do is we put the manufacturer, which is Acura, the model's Integra, right? And the paint code is Y56. So we search it, and that's gonna give us our options there. Hit OK. And now this is how much paint we're gonna make. So right now we're gonna do a spray out. So we're just gonna put minimize, volume spray out.
You see right here say difficult size to make, so
Yeah.
you have to right here, look, and you see. Oh, I'm sorry. Or you can, so it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
5 ounces.
5 ounces. So we're gonna you're gonna mix up 5 ounces so we can get a
Yeah.
spray out and make sure the color's
And
right.
then here,
Okay.
this shows us the variance as
Okay.
to what we have to put in to get that color exactly.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Right.
Awesome. And then this mixes up all the colors.
Yep.
So after this stage, it's ready for primer. And all this will get filled up too. See? Show me the red. Lifted everything. Good. We getting there, boys. My man Juice doing an adjustment. Because of the corona, insurance adjusters don't come out. So he has to take photos and then send it. But this truck's done, Zeus.
Yeah.
This one's total.
This is a total.
Look at this control arm. Yeah. Hit a guardrail.
Yep.
Susi Cortez.
Aha.
Aha. Okay guys, here's our spray out. This is what the color of the car is going to be. Oh my God. There it is guys, Y56, Acura Type R. How you like that color, Calito?
Nice.
Nice color?
Beautiful.
Beautiful color. One more time, let's see it. There it is, guys. That's the color of Kobe. Killed this fender, Brian. Killed this fender, my boy. That's beautiful. We're ready for the clear, boys. So this is eventually how the car is going to look. Wow. Y56. What do you like it? How do you like it? Great job. So yeah, in a couple of days, man, it'll be that. In a couple of days, everything you see will be this. Wow, this is exciting. So we found a crack in the bumper. I was about to prep it. So right now, Carlito is gonna stitch the bumper with this body. I've never seen this tool. So it's a plastic repair stitcher. And that's the crack right there. So we are going to fix this crack. And then that's how he uses it. This is awesome. I've never seen this, so I'm excited. I don't know if you guys can see the stitch. Sick. So this crack right here was starting to split up. So he put about 6 or 5 stitches back there, and then he'll just put a little plastic right here, and it's all set. Beautiful. That's great. That's the stitches. Hey, weird reference. Kobe Bryant stitches Achilles. Remember? Look at that. That's crazy. When Kobe tore his Achilles, he had the back stitches. That's awesome. Good as new, boys. It's just so genius, it might work. Brian's getting that seam sealer prep going. Killer job there. Seam seal that. That bumper's almost ready for sanding, so we are grooving, man. We are grooving. Boys are prepping the car right now. They're gonna start taping it up. They're gonna do a lot of work to this. They're gonna seam seal. They're gonna primer the interior, and that's it. Final stages before paint. 40 getting that bumper ready. So that 220 scuff is ready to go. Got to go into primer. We fixed up that little crack there. That's money now. Beautiful. This bumper's gonna come out great. What kind of contraption is this, Gordo? What kind of contraption? What is this? This looks like a Terminator gun. From Terminator, word. Yo. It's about to be January. Dile, cabrón.
Dile que yo lo llamo como yo quiera porque el huevo es mío.
Oh, what a piece of shit you are. You better hope YouTube don't block that line out, buddy. Yeah, you're hanging it. You're hanging it. You're like a salad with a meatball, right? You like salads with meatball? Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Yo, mi hermano, habla mucho.
¿Ah?
Tú hablas mucho.
Ajá.
Ajá.
No, estoy diciendo que no queda nada. No le cae nada.
Seam sealed up, boys. That's it. This side is done. This is precautionary for the future of the car, the future of the chassis, that no water sits in it and starts to eat it away. This car will not rust out. I mean, it depends on where you keep it. Whoever wins the car, I mean, if they're gonna leave it in a yard, which I doubt it, and it also depends on, you know, honestly, where you live. On the East Coast, these cars don't last long because of the salt and snow. But this car will never rust out.
Y así un gancho a cualquiera. Perfecto.
Yo! Okay, Gunners, we're going to wrap it up over here at the body shop today. Just remember, it takes a lot of work to do something like this, man. You see it. They're trying to structure prices now to be able to hook you guys up. But just remember, it's a lot of tedious work. Material is expensive. But the car is at the stage to where it's almost painted. So, hey, maybe this can be my thumbnail. Nailed it? Come on, knock it. No, look at the camera. All right, good. All right, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you guys are changing the algorithm. I am getting more subscribers. I am getting more views. Thanks to you for your likes and your comments. By the time I come back here, tomorrow I got to shoot the Tri-State. We got the Skunk thing we got to pick up. We got a bunch of parts from Skunk. Yeah, anything else? No, by the time we get back here tomorrow and I grab some footage of it, the interior will be painted. I appreciate you guys, as always. Thank you, Goldo. Thank you, Calito, my brothers.
Yes.
Sasong Auto Body, 40 in the house. And that's it, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning.